Brenda here from Roaming and Recording, and this week we're going to tour with you the Avid Hotel, an IHG property in Warren, Michigan, a suburb of Detroit. So what exactly is an Avid Hotel according to IHG? Well, the website says that they are championing everyday travel at a fair price, meeting the needs of guests who all too often have to pay more for things they don't need or compromise on the quality that they expect. Avid is here to offer the type of hospitality travelers value most, the essentials done exceptionally well, experiences that feel just right every time. Did they hit this mark? Well, that's what we were here to find out. This trip, we did not need a fancy hotel or resort amenities. We just literally needed a place to crash for the night. And the Avid Hotel's prices were extremely competitive. So we thought, let's try it out and see how it is. We think the Avid brand is targeting a younger demographic. When you walk into the lobby and the common areas, you'll see colorful but minimalistic decor. The common areas are well thought out. There's an area to watch television, to check your email, a place to hang outside, and plenty of seating if you would like to get a cup of coffee, tea, sparkling water, or something from the on-site store. As I said, this is a hotel for the everyday traveler. That means someone who might not care about some of the amenities. So let's go over what is not included. You won't find a pool at an Avid Hotel, but you will find a small gym perfect for a morning workout. You won't have the convenience of a coffee maker in your room, but a quick trip to the lobby will get you a freshly brewed cup of coffee, hot tea, hot cocoa, sparkling water, or on-tap water 24/7. You also won't find the ever-present ice bucket in your room. But don't worry, go down by the ice machine and there are some cardboard ones that you can fill up and take back to your room. You also won't find a closet or a huge wardrobe to hang your clothes up. At first I thought that was a bit strange and I didn't think that I would like it, but it kind of grew on me, because you can see exactly where your clothes are, where your luggage is, and you're less likely to leave it behind. That being said, the lack of a closet means there's no safe in the room. But you do have an iron and an ironing board, a refrigerator, and a hairdryer. So again, they've got you covered with the basic essentials. And there's no restaurant or bar on site, although they've got you covered there too. There's a small convenience store where you can purchase sandwiches, drinks, and so forth. And every morning there is a complimentary breakfast. It's described as a grab and go, but as you'll see a little bit later in our video, it was a little bit more than that. Now let us show you our room. We had room number 426. This is room 426 at the Avid Hotel. It's got a big mirror here. Hanging up things. Big TV, a desk area, a window, and we're looking out at highway. 2 beds. Let's see. And lots of places to plug things in. Phone. Here's an area for storage and storage. More hanging up places. Bathroom. Hair dryer, towels. Commode. Shower. The shower has a door. And it looks like just basic amenities, but you know, if you need more than that, I guess you bring your own, huh? This hotel was under $100 for the night, so we weren't expecting much for breakfast. So we were a bit surprised to find freshly scrambled eggs, home-fried potatoes, crumbled bacon, along with bagels, muffins, cereals, yogurts, just a pretty decent variety. There was also plenty of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, apple, and orange juices. Although I would never say that this was a gourmet breakfast, it certainly gets your morning off to a good start. Overall, we found the Avid Hotel brand to be a solid, no-frills option that offers great value. If you're not looking for a resort experience and just want the essentials, clean rooms, comfortable beds, and a simple breakfast, this is a great budget-friendly choice. It's basic, but it's done right and ideal for cost-conscious travelers. Have you stayed at an Avid Hotel? Let us know your experience in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We truly appreciate the support. Until next time, Brenda from Roaming and Recording.